Hi and welcome to this quick video from O365forall.com. My name is Ayman El-Hattab. I'm a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional and the co-founder of O365forall.com. Today I'm gonna show you how to use remote PowerShell to manage Office 365 Exchange Online. In case you are not familiar with remote PowerShell, it's the administrative interface that enables you to manage your Microsoft Exchange Online organization from the command line. The process I'm gonna show you is very similar to how you would configure an implicit remote session to an on-premises Exchange server. So without any further ado, let's open up PowerShell and start our demo. What we need to do first is enabling the execution of signed scripts. We can do so by setting the PowerShell execution policy to remote signed in an elevated Windows PowerShell windows. I'm gonna confirm the change and say yes. Now I need to store the credentials in a variable so that I can use them when establishing a connection to Office 365. So I'll say cred equal get credential. I'm gonna enter the admin username, admin@contosomia.onmicrosoft.com, and the password. It's important to note here that we are limited to 3 open PowerShell connections to our Exchange Online. This is to prevent any denial of service attacks. Now I'll create a new remote PowerShell session using the new PS session commandlet. So I'm gonna say variable s or $s equal new PS session dash configuration name Microsoft.exchange dash connection URI https ps.outlook.com / PowerShell dash credential. I'm gonna pass the $cred variable dash authentication basic dash allow redirection. Next, I'll import the command list to my local PowerShell session using the import dash PS session commandlet. So I'll say import PS session and I pressed enter too early. I should have passed the variable s, which stores the remote PowerShell session. Run the commandlet again. I'll give it time to download the commandlets. Now I'm connected to Exchange Online with my Office 365 tenant admin, and I can use the available Exchange Online PowerShell commandlets. So the question now, what are the available commandlets? And for this I'll switch to my browser to show you this article. I'm gonna scroll down here and show you the different categories available. Let's say we'll use the distribution groups management commandlets. We have here get distribution group, new distribution group, remove distribution group. So let's switch back to PowerShell and try some of those commandlets. I'll first try get distribution group. This retrieves a list of all the distribution groups in my Office 365 tenant. So let's go all back to Office 365 Admin Center. Go to Admin, Exchange, and switch to the Groups tab. And we'll see the same distribution groups that you have seen in the PowerShell, but from the browser. We have groups for almost all the departments except for the marketing team. So let's create one for the marketing team from PowerShell, and for that I'll be using the commandlet new distribution group. Let's see how we can use it by using the helper commandlet get help. So I'm gonna say get dash help new distribution group and press enter. And if I want to see some examples, I run the same commandlet, but I'm gonna add dash examples to the end. And that's actually very useful if you're not familiar with the available commandlets. In my case, add distribution group is fairly simple, so I'm gonna say new distribution group dash name marketing dash display name marketing team dash alias marketing dash primary SMTP address marketing at contosumia.onmicrosoft.com and press enter. And now that distribution group has been created, let's see this from the Office 365 Admin Center. I'm gonna refresh my page. Go to groups. And here's my marketing team distribution group. Now let's try to delete this group. So I'm gonna say remove distribution group and pass it the group name, which is marketing. I'm gonna press enter. Confirm. And to make sure that the group was deleted, I'll use get distribution group. This will list all the groups for me. And as we can see, the marketing one was successfully deleted. I'll go to the Office 365 Admin Center, refresh, go to groups again, and the marketing group has been deleted indeed. I hope this has given you a quick idea or a quick overview about remote PowerShell for Exchange Online. Thank you for your time and catch you in another videos.